Happy 4th of July, Independence Day. And I'm going to tell you right now, for the 4th of July, where we celebrate our freedom, I promise you in today's video, I'm giving you something for free. Okay, so stick around. I'm not just going to rant and rave about freedom and create your own reality. I'm going to do that a little bit, but I promise you I'm going to give you some free stuff. Nothing, no payment, nothing whatsoever. You can get some free stuff if you hang around. Okay, now, that being said, today is Independence Day, and we live in the greatest country in existence, and I'm so thankful for that. I love the 4th of July. I love what it stands for. I promise you, I'm blowing some stuff up today. I'm leaving a crater in Fort Worth, Texas with the amount of fireworks I'm going to blow up today, and it's going to be awesome, all right? But digging deeper into what we can be grateful for. Listen, we live in the country where we can truly create our own reality. And I think sometimes we take that for granted. Listen, crazy things. I'm sure all of you watched the debate or have seen some of the highlights. Yeah, it's questionable. Okay. Our leadership is a little bit questionable nowadays. We've got guys that are leading our country that can barely even speak and complete a sentence. It's interesting times that we live in, but we still live in the greatest country. And I am so thankful that I'm an American. I was born here. There's people that literally dedicate a huge amount of their life just to become an American citizen. And I'm lucky enough to have been born here and just have those rights to go out and be an entrepreneur and do what I want to do on a daily basis to feed my family and to impact lives and to make a living. I am so thankful for that opportunity. And so we have the slogan here at Titanium Investments about create your own reality. That is what we say. That we wear it on our wrist, and it means something to us. And I wanted to touch base on that today because it's important that you understand that it is your opportunity that exists, and it's your responsibility to go out and create whatever reality you want. And no matter whatever that is, whatever circumstances come your way, it's still in your control to create that reality, right? It's not mine. It's not anybody else's. It's not your family's. It's not where you came from. Quite frankly, I look at that and I laugh sometimes where it's like, dude, when we got started, we had nothing. Nothing was handed to us. We had to go out. We had to earn everything. We still every single day are earning everything that comes our way. We're making sure that we're taking steps every single day to create that reality that we want, that we desire, and we are going to achieve that. And I want you guys to approach that every single day. Now, one of the things that we have done to try to help you guys create your own reality is by pushing out content like this, creating videos, creating the YouTube channel and the Instagram and the TikToks and all of that. Yeah, we make money off of that, okay? I'm not going to be foolish enough to think that you guys think that we're just doing this to help you. I mean, that's one of the things that we do. We also want to do it to monetize it. Listen, we're Americans. We're all American capitalists around here, baby. And I want you guys to approach your business with the same mindset, right? You want to help people, but you also want to support yourself. You want to make money. And we have put together tools to help you create your own reality with virtual wholesaling. I am a firm believer that virtual wholesaling is one of the best things that you can do inside of real estate investing. Is our hedgehog concept. We are solely focused on that on the real estate side every single day, right? We ignore the flips, we ignore the rentals and all of these other things. Titanium Investments is solely focused on virtual wholesaling. And so we're experts when it comes to that. And we've really laid out like, okay, what are all the things that you guys would need and how can we best support that? And then how can we give that away to you for free? Okay. Because here's the thing. A lot of times people say we sell education. We do not sell education. We give away the education for free. Okay. What we sell at Titanium University and all the courses and products that we have is implementation. There's two different things there. The education is readily available nowadays, right? And quite frankly, if I wasn't educating you with these YouTube videos, then what would I be talking about? It would just be clickbaity, like hey, click here and I'm not going to give you enough information. I don't want to be that guy. That's not the reality I wanted to create for myself when it came to content. I can't be that person. So all right, we'll give all of the education away to you for free. Even today, what we're going to give you can literally, you can take that information and run your virtual wholesaling business just based off of the information that we provide you for free. And then from there, if you want more, that's where you would sign up for Titanium University, because we're going to help you implement that education and pivot and make changes and adjust. And when you have needs inside of your business, that's where we're really going to help out. All right. So now let's talk about the free stuff that we're getting. That was a short rant. I only ranted for like less than 6 minutes. All right. Not bad on the create your own reality and the freedom side of things. So today, what we're giving away to you is our Titanium University toolkit. All right. You can pick it up for free at that link right down there, titaniumu.com/toolkit. All right. Now, what do you get with the toolkit? You are going to receive 5 different PDFs. All right. Now, some of you might have already downloaded these, and that's fine. I want to make sure you get the full toolkit and you've got all of them. It equals 111 pages of information for your virtual wholesaling business. All right. This is a damn book, people. We're giving you a book on how to wholesale. First thing, when you go into virtual wholesaling, you want to know, what market should I do deals in? This is the number one question that I get asked all the time about virtual wholesaling. So we literally came in here and we broke it down state by state. Here's Alabama, the population, the percent of deals that we've done there, the number of deals where it ranks. So 2.82% of our deals we've done in Alabama, and that ranks 8th overall. As you can see, we are all over the United States. We have done deals in all 50 states at this point. That's right, baby. We have conquered Utah. All right. Is it a title or an attorney state? What title company or attorney should you use? And then I actually give it an overall ranking, the Dispo ranking, and acquisitions rating. We've done that for all 50 states in here. Okay. So that's PDF number 1. Then we go to the Titanium Fleet. What's the next thing that you need to know inside of your virtual wholesaling business? Systems, lead generation. What tools am I going to use? So we've broken it down. Everything that we use inside of our wholesaling business, from Lead Zolo, Speed to Lead. Those are PPL providers. Property Leads, another one. Prop Stream for comping. Privy for comping. Batch Leads for data and comping. Easy REI closings for transaction coordination. Carrot for a website. SIF for data management. Investlift for Dispo. Resimply for CRM. It's not on here yet, but when you download it, it will be. Fund and Grow. If you need money for your business, how do you get some business capital? Fund and Grow. All of these links on there explains it to you. That's everything that we use inside of our wholesale business. If it doesn't exist here, we don't use it. This is what we are promoting, and this is what we use. So when we talk about, hey, you sign up for Titanium University and you want implementation, then we're going to talk about implementing these systems, these tools, because this is what we use. It's the only thing that we can intelligently speak on, because it's what we use to create our own reality. All right. So you know what markets to do deals in, which markets to avoid. You know what to do for lead generation and for comping and all of that. What's next? You got to know how to close the deals. You got to know how to talk to the sellers, the king closer formula, baby. My favorite topic. That's why we got all the pictures of me on there, right? We break it down. Step 1, confirm that they want to sell, establish the price, discover their motivation with open-ended questions, analyze the deal, comp the deal, underwrite it, and then you close the deal. We break it down. We give you a lot of examples in here for free. I've never seen anything better as far as your ability to close deals, because it's not a script. Scripts suck. This is your formula, baby. And now, going back to step 4, when we talk about analyze, comp, and underwrite, we've got a whole formula for that, the web formula, okay? 31 pages of how to comp and underwrite to find deals wherein buyers buy. Okay. Cassie and I just rolled this out a couple of weeks ago. The feedback's been amazing. You guys love it. We break it down into the 3 layers, right? How to comp the property, how to determine the rehab, how to determine the price we need to be at so your end buyers are getting a good deal. You want to make this a win-win-win situation. Win for the seller, win for the end buyer, and win for you as the wholesaler. And then last and definitely not least, the 5-step disposition formula. How to talk to your buyers. So we've broken it down to where just like you could talk to sellers in the King Closers formula, same thing here. 5 steps on how to talk to an end buyer to dispo your deals, walk them through, build a bridge for them, find out, verify, and vet that they're the right person, and then how to sell them the deals. You get all of that for free today at titaniumvault.com/toolkit. That's what we're giving away for you for free today on the 4th of July, because the day stands for freedom, and we want you to have that freedom in your life with virtual wholesaling. So this, we give it away to you for free, okay? Take it. If you need help with implementation, guess what? Titanium University is opening up again on July 8th, okay? So we're opening up for our 4th class. We're calling it the Fantastic Fourth. That's right, baby. I love superheroes. So we're still in this straight from the Fantastic Four. It's a Fantastic Fourth. It's our 4th ever class that opens up. We've got close to 600 people on the wait list. If you have not signed up yet for the wait list, go to titaniumu.com/waitlist. Okay. Sign up. There's a link in the show notes down below. Sign up. If you're on the wait list, what that gets you is you will be the first person that receives the email to schedule your consultation with the sales team and go through and understand if this is a good fit or not, because we only take on the top 30 people to join Titanium University. That's where you're going to get the implementation. That's where you're going to get, okay, how do I utilize property leads? How am I utilizing? Should I use PropStream or Privy? When should I get Investor Lift? When should I hire easy REI closings? How am I the best practices? And then when you need comping and underwriting reviews, you can submit those deals for us to comp and underwrite for you. And then when you have those needs, those little like idiosyncrasies that pop up in your business, or hey, a difficult seller or a difficult deal to dispo, or this is what's happening on this title work, all these different things, daily implementation calls with either myself, Cassie. Once a week, you get Nick, where he talks about optimizing your life, optimizing your business. There's nothing like it in the industry. So if you're looking for that sort of implementation, sign up for the wait list for Titanium University. Be one of those 30 people that join us in July. Happy 4th of July, guys. Go enjoy the time with your friends, your family. Enjoy the freedom that we have as Americans here in this country. It's the greatest country in the world. I don't care what anybody says, because I get to wake up every single day and do exactly what I want. And I know I would not get to do that in some other places in the world. So I cherish that every single day. I love the fact that I have the opportunity to go out and create my own reality, just like we're doing here at Titanium. And I want you guys to be able to do the exact same thing. So we give this to you for free, titaniumu.com/toolkit. Download it. It literally costs you nothing to download it, so there's no reason not to download it. And if you want help with implementing what you learn inside the toolkit, join the wait list for Titanium University. We hope to see you in the Fantastic Fourth. Happy 4th of July. See you guys tomorrow.